Hi Pihu, I'm Varsha and I did my bachelor's in NMKRV Degree College, majoring in journalism which and mass media communication. I did my internship as a PR intern in Team Pumpkin and I also wrote several blogs for a particular client. I basically wrote content for social media posts. Basically, I did three contents. I also did some proofreading as a help for the website. I wrote a content. I wrote different kinds of content for different social media like LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. I also wrote two to three blogs which were quite generic and helpful for today's AI requirements and for HRs. So basically, what I started to do was I analyzed the competitors of Open Interview and had the initiative to do posts or write content better than them. And basically, I also since Open Interview was about AI interview platform, I could find a lot of information like AI sentimental analysis, like plagiarism detection as well. So content writing for me was something that was really good, especially when I wrote for the social media. I used to do three posts a day so that I picked up different kinds of writing like a glossary post, an image post, text post, or a carousel post, which actually is actually bringing very much light into Open Interview. So basically, as the marketing team, we also made search engine optimization where we used the keywords that were used in the industry to make sure that our content was visible and was a top notch. And me collaborating, I asked for guidelines. I asked the digital marketing team to help me out to set in as well as I also helped the I also asked the digital marketing team to um, tell me feedbacks about my content. So yes. So basically, I use the current trends or current memes. Since we also created meme posts, I use the current topics which were trending in the industry or with the people in between the people. So what I basically did was for example, I used Deadpool and Wolverine as a subject where they act as an HR and conduct interviews and code assessments and enlightening the easy way of code assessments with Open Interview. So using such like recent trends and meme posts, I was able to gather gather a vast number of audience. So Canva is basically an editing tool where you can edit on the ways your content are. I usually provide visuals for us to edit the post into our into something that was relevant towards the content. So first thing what I do in research is research about the company or about the topic I'm writing. And the second thing I go through, since I am writing content for a company, I go through its competitors and analyze on their way or the type of writing. And for AI technology, I use other AI technologies like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Quillbot for paraphrasing, and make sure that my content does not have any plagiarism detection, and make sure that all my content is correct and it will gather the people eventually. Blogs are something which are really beautiful when. Did it just cut me out? It's okay. Can you simplify the question? It is important to make this meta descriptions for blogs, to make sure that no other people can copy your content, or you can no or you can copy others content. And it improves SEO performance, because we'll be using the terms which are, or the keywords which are used in the industry and which are used by the industry frequently. By doing so, we can improve our visibility in Google search engines or various other search engines to make the company grow further. So basically, to do so, we need to have a detailed report on our target audience. So, using sentimental analysis, we can emotionally connect with our target audience and make sure that they use the company's services, and to make sure that we are well known in the market. or the industry. So basically, if there's a conflict between the marketing team, we have to resolve the conflict by listening to both the sides and make sure we come up with a mutual decision which will not affect each side. But taking their feedbacks, taking each side's feedback is something really important to uh, uh, manage a conflict and make sure that no one is hurt in the process. So basically, for that, I would like to contact the technical team and make sure that they have resolved whatever the technical issue was, so that I could meet my deadline. On time. And for that, I need to have a great communication, which is also one of my skills as a journalism student. I will have a great communication and make sure that the technical team does its work so that the launch may not delay. So during Team Pumpkin, I had to learn something that was really tough for me. That is basically a PR. As a PR intern, they also you told me to write blogs, which were kind of tough for me because especially writing for health sector requires a lot of a lot of approaches from the doctors, so that no content is wrong. So I had to communicate with doctors and make sure that none of the content which I provided were not wrong, and none of the and all the contents were accurate. So learning something for me is really fantastic because I love to learn everything new. And since I've already written on health, I would like to learn a new about AI powered platforms so that I could write more beautifully about them. So basically, when we had a college deadline to provide, where we had to provide a report based on an occasion we had attended. So for that, I motivated them in ways like do each person can do a particular topic and make sure that they can will come at the end, or will come together at the end and will discuss the potential responses so that we can put it all together. I inspired them to achieve success by giving them an insight of the beautiful future if this college work is done properly and within deadline. For me, content writing is really important. So I would like to see a beautiful and a famous, see myself as a beautiful and a famous content writer where I am asked by people. And as for achievements, I would like to work in companies that are on the top tier one and two. So basically, as a writer, I would like to start somewhere. So Open Interview is a great company where I can actually write my intents and also learn something really new. Learning, I want to learn something really new as well. And my skills in writing, storytelling, report writing, as well as help me a lot for writing content for different social media websites and for the website pages. देखा हो गया. Report writing can be done with one of the clients who used open interviews in AI powered intelligence to give their interview. We can write their feedbacks. As for storytelling, we can create a beautiful story which can emotionally engage the audience and target audience to make sure that they read the story completely. I would like to make my content into a conversational tone where it can keep the readers engaged and retained, so that they would feel like they're having a conversation instead of reading an article, and a friendly tone. Making a creative CTA is one thing which we can do, so that it can clearly pull the target audience into action and use the platform. My the messaging in my content will be clear, simpler, and in a conversational tone where it can effectively resonate with the intended audience, or the target audience. I will make sure that they do not feel like it's only reading and it's not engaging. I will make sure that I use the right tone, right words, whether it's formal or informal, based on what kind of post I'm writing, what kind of content I'm writing for. Is it for the email for the companies, or whether it is social media posts? Based on that, my tone will have variations in it. I would like to give this with an example. So, for example, let's take open interview. Their target audience are majorly HRs, managers, CEOs, CFOs, like that. So, based on the genre of the industry, genre of the company, we can conduct our research on the target audience, or the audience intended audience as well. We can use for different platforms. For example, uh, if we take open interview as an example, the major uh, the media platform where we can go reach out for HRs or CEOs is basically LinkedIn, where there are professionals. In that way, we can find out based on the genre of the company or the industrial sector of the company. Friendly, user friendly language. We can also have options for languages in which they can give interviews, like for example Hindi or English, since it is based in India. So for that we can actually make sure that the tech for complex technical information we can simplify it if they ask through various AI bots. So, in today's world, AI plays a very important role. So, for the culturally relevant and resonates with diverse audience, what we can do is uh, uh, we can mix psychology into AI so that we can actually perform and make sure the myth that people are thinking that AI doesn't have psychology, we can make sure that it is wrong. We can prove it wrong and make sure that we can tell people that the AI also does sentimental analysis and psychology, and also sees in the psychological aspect as well. So when facing writer's block, I would like to make sure that my content is creative and it is reader friendly, where it is in a simplified way so that people do not need to understand anything completely complex technical, but also understand the technicalities of the content or the subject of the content. People are always in for stories. People love listening to stories. So I can emotionally engage audiences in my creative storytelling base. So if I'm writing for a company, I would like to formalize my tone, and if I'm writing for the social media, I would like to keep it natural so that people will think that I'm not actually formalizing my tone, but I'm trying to engage their thoughts about the company and my content. So if I'm writing for a company, I would keep it in a professional tone. If I'm writing for social media, I would keep it in a friendly tone. If I'm writing mails for other companies, if I'm writing content, newsletters, I would like to keep it in a tone where it is simplified and yet professional, so that people can understand the context of the company. If I'm writing on LinkedIn, I would like to make sure that I don't use much technical terms, so that people will have it tough to understand. So I would rather simplify those technical terms and put it in a professional tone, so that they would know that we are inviting them to use our services without optimizing the quality of the company. Cause my notice period, I can start over immediately, and my CTZ is 2 lakh per annum, and my expected salary goes around to 3 lakh, and my benefits for this role at open interview, I would like to do this job because it is something I love to do. Writing is in my blood, is in my passion as well. मेरे को छोड़ दे बहन. What does open interview usually do? It is an AI recruitment platform, and what else does it does other than recruiting?